Hi guys and welcome. This is me, JB Rose, singing vegan mum. How are you all doing out there? I know we are facing unprecedented times and there are a lot of people that are really struggling out there. Before I carry on with this video, may I just thank the healthcare workers that are out there and the key workers that are keeping us safe, looking after our ill and putting their own health at risk. My mum was a nurse. I understand how hard you guys work. So why am I doing this video? Well, as I told you all yesterday, that I lost all my teaching work. All my teaching work stopped because I work with different communities. And a lot of my clients, a lot of the groups that I work with were very upset. They were going, what about our classes, our exercises and stuff like that? There's a lot of stress going on. People are not breathing. People are struggling to cope with this time. People are at home. People are on their own. Or people are stuck with family members that they might not want to spend time with. So let's turn this around, guys. Let's start to breathe. What we're not doing is breathe. And if we don't breathe, then we don't bring in those good chemicals into our bodies that help us to feel good about ourselves. At the moment, a lot of my groups and my clients are feeling really stressed. And stress and a healthy immune system are not compatible. We need to find a way to deal with this. So what we need to do is breathe, guys. I'm hoping that a lot of you are accessing all these meditation and exercise classes because that's going to allow you to breathe and take lots of air into the body. And it'll make you start to feel good and you'll feel strong. What happens if you don't breathe, take deep breaths, is that insulin comes out, cortisol comes out, you're in fight or flight mode, you're taking shallow breaths and your body is not working at its best. And then you won't be able to sleep, you'll get tension, you'll be open to illnesses and diseases and stuff like that. A lot of my clients ask me to just share one of my breathing exercises that I do in my classes. And if you do this every day and build up, then it will help you to sleep. You'll be de-stressed. You'll feel cool. But today, join me now while we do this Tai Chi breathing exercise that I do all the time with my singers. So here we go. This is a Tai Chi exercise I do with all my groups whenever we meet. The aim of this exercise is that when we finish and complete the whole section is that we're not out of breath. First of all, feet apart. Make sure you've got nice posture, nice and tall. And I want you to just put your hands into the middle and you're going to take a deep breath like this. And then on a sound, you're just going to breathe. And that's it. Then you're going to do it again, but you're going to do it twice. No breathing in the middle. You're going to go and all on the same breath. And then the big test is being able to do three of these cycles all on the same breath, and at the end of it not being out of breath. I'll show you, join in, here we go. Oh, also before I carry on, nobody goes faster than me, yeah? So don't speed it up, go at my pace. And relax. So that should be easy. That was just one. Here we go. And relax. So I'm out of breath. So I'm unfit because I'm out of breath, but we do this every day. When we finish these cycles, we won't be out of breath, yeah? I'm killing time for us because now we're going to do three. The more we do this exercise, the easier it gets. Okay, so I've killed some time. Right, now we're going to do it for 3 cycles, all right? Big breath out on the the reason why we're doing a sound is because it makes you have to push from there. Here we go. So now you can see I'm out of breath. which means I am unfit too. And we're going to do this every single day until when we end up doing the cycle of 3, that it will be just easy. I won't be out of breath, you won't be out of breath, and we would have put lots of air and oxygen in our body. We would have ignited our immune system will be happy, we will feel happier, we will feel joyful, and we'll be ready to combat anything that comes our way. Illness, sadness, happiness, we'll be prepared for it. All right guys, so that's our exercise. This is what I would normally do in my groups, and now I've shared it with you. Please join in. You'll see me again, and when you see me again, join in. Just do it. All right, my singers also said they missed the singing. We're going to just do a little bit of singing. Again, I want us to focus more on the breathing, so I just want you to just go up and down and up and down. To connect the air with the sound, we're just going to sing Twinkle Twinkle on the. Here we go. Lovely. So I hope your voice is all warmed up now after doing that. So I play a little guitar, but very, very rubbish. I've been spending a lot of time getting better at it. All the songs that I know, it's just enough for my group to be able to pick up the note. So I'm going to sing, we're going to sing a song, and you're going to know it. I'm going to put the words up and I want you to sing along. But what I want you to really focus on is the breath. We're going to sing to Beyonce's Survivor. Don't forget to breathe between each line. I'm a survivor, breathe. I'm not gonna give up, breathe. I'm not gonna stop, breathe. I'm gonna work harder, breathe. I'm a survivor, breathe. I'm gonna make it, breathe. I will survive, breathe. Keep on surviving, breathe. Sing along with me, take your time, do your own version. Here we go. I'm a survivor, I'm not gonna give up, I'm not gonna stop, I'm gonna work harder. I'm a survivor, I'm gonna make it, I will survive, keep on surviving. I'm a survivor, I'm not gonna give up, I'm not gonna stop, I'm gonna work harder. I'm a survivor, I'm gonna make it, I will survive, keep on surviving. I'm a survivor, I'm gonna make it, I'm not gonna stop, I'm gonna work harder. I'm a survivor, I'm gonna make it, keep on surviving, I will keep surviving. So guys, I hope you had a good sing song along with me, and I will see you again, and we'll do the breathing exercise again tomorrow. Don't let things stress you. So I hope you enjoyed my little exercise, especially for my groups out there. Stay blessed guys, and I will see you next time.